FitLabPGH back with a movement tip lifestyle hack, talking about food that we make and eat because the food keeps us fueled. One of the things we typically make 2 or 3 times a week is homemade tomato sauce. We put it on pizza, we put it on pasta, and it's easier to make than you think. So what we put in it are 2 cans of San Marzano tomatoes, a can of tomato paste, a can of anchovies, the whole can including the olive oil, red pepper flakes, black pepper, and Italian seasoning. We don't need to put salt in because the anchovies already have a lot of salt. And don't forget one of the most important things, a generous splash or amount of red wine. And then we cook it low and slow, maybe 250 degrees for 5 or 6 hours. Or if we have less time where we can be around, maybe 350 degrees for 2.5 hours. It makes a very thick sauce, it makes a sauce that's healthy, it makes a sauce that's much easier to make than you think it is. So move more, move often, and don't be afraid to make real food.